Khalid Mansour, Special Assistant to Pakistani Prime Minister on CPEC affairs, said that the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has not only turned Pakistan into a power surplus country, but also cut the production cost of electricity and promoted the industrialization process of the country. China has invested in power plants in Pakistan and added 5,320 megawatts of electricity to the national grid at a lower cost.
The capacity limitation in country has reduced, there is no question about it, and now people do not face the long hours of load shedding. And since we have brought coal-based power generation, so it has reduced the overall tariff as well.
Mansour said that as the industrialization process under Phase 2 of CPEC moves ahead, more electricity will be used by the industrial sector, and the country will enjoy the perks offered by CPEC, including import substitution, more exports and wealth creation. Rejecting the allegations of CPEC increasing debt burdens on Pakistan, Mansour said that the average cost of the debt for bigger infrastructure projects is much lower than commercial loans.
The average cost of the debt which the bigger infrastructure projects have been taken or have been implemented, you see that is much lower than the commercial loan which the power sector, which was not done through Chinese financial institutions. So that is the hard data which is available on the regulator website also.